AI tools are changing how people work, and some of them can save you hours every single day. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools you should start using right now. First is Perplexity AI. It helps you find answers instantly with sources, making research much faster than traditional search. Next is Pictory AI. This tool can turn scripts or blog posts into full videos automatically. Another powerful tool is ElevenLabs. It creates realistic AI voiceovers in seconds. Then we have Opus Clip. It can convert long videos into short viral clips automatically. Notion AI is perfect for organizing, summarizing, and writing content. Remove.bg helps you remove image backgrounds instantly. And finally, Canva AI allows you to design content quickly using artificial intelligence. These tools are making it easier than ever to create content, save time, and work smarter. If you want to stay ahead, start using these AI tools today. Subscribe to Future AI Profits for more AI tools and tips.